For the most part, smartphones are automatic. You just point it and you take the photo. This is one way of using your smartphone. There's another option though. By tapping on the screen, you can tell your phone where to expose. You can also move a brightness bar up and down, changing the exposure on most phones. So I'm here with my smartphone and I just wanted to go really quick on how to expose with your camera on your phone. It's pretty simple. So we have William Shakespeare here, so let's go ahead and take a look at him with our phone here. I've got him. I'm gonna get up a little bit closer right now. Really, it's just tapping. So let's tap right on him. You can see how that exposure is just perfect. It was kind of already there before we started. What if we tap on the sky in the upper left? See how much darker the shot gets? Now you can see it's much darker in the bottom right, but it's still trying to expose for his face. If we keep back on his face, you can see how the exposure went up. Now you can really control this if you tap and you see the little icon on the right, and you can move the exposure up and down as you go up and down, depending on the type of exposure that you want. If we want to bring that sky back in, we might move down. It's a little more silhouetted, and then we can just take the photo. And now we've got a nicely dramatic photo. You can see how the phone is very automatic and it jumped right back to the main exposure. This is really good for auto mode. So I'm doing this with an iPhone. Most phones will give you those three options of just regular auto, tapping, or adjusting the exposure with your finger up and down. So now you can see how you can control the exposure with your smartphone. And your smartphone really is a creative tool like any other camera.